model, 66-plate Ford Transit Custom 2.0 TD130 PS 310 Trend front-wheel drive. L1 needs engine repair, no VAT. Body, silver, panel van. Mileage, 140626. MOT, the 18th of May 2025. Engine, 1996 cc 2.0 TDCI 105 PS. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, takes a few more cranks to start than average, runs with a misfire. Possibly down on compression on a cylinder or could be an injector. Turbo needs replacing. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 2 former keepers, air con, electric windows. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £5,750 plus VAT. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 074011999